What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a tool you've probably heard of but might not know everything about. Grammarly. I've been putting it through its paces and I'm here to give you my complete and honest review covering all the pros and cons based solely on what's available on their official website. So what exactly is Grammarly? At its heart, Grammarly is a digital writing assistant that uses artificial intelligence to help you write clearly. It's not just a simple spell checker, it's a comprehensive system designed to understand context and improve your overall communication. According to their site, it works wherever you do online, in your email client, on social media, in your word processor, and even within text messages on your phone via its mobile keyboard. The goal is to provide real-time feedback and suggestions to ensure your writing is not only correct but also polished and professional. The core offering is the free version, which checks for basic spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to clean up their writing quickly. But Grammarly's real power is unlocked with its premium subscription. Premium digs much deeper, offering full sentence rewrites for clarity, vocabulary enhancement suggestions, tone detection to ensure your message lands the way you intend. They also emphasize a feature called plagiarism detection, which can compare your text against billions of web pages to ensure originality, a huge plus for students and content creators. One of the biggest pros is its incredible accessibility and seamless integration across devices and platforms. You can use it in your browser, on desktop apps for Windows and Mac, and on your iOS or Android device. The AI is constantly learning, and the suggestions are designed to be intuitive, not intrusive. The user interface presented on the site is clean, and the explanations for its corrections are educational, aiming to help you become a better writer over time. Now let's talk about the cons. The most obvious one is that the most advanced features, those clarity, engagement, and delivery suggestions, are locked behind the premium paywall. There are 3 primary subscription tiers offered by the service. The first plan is called Free and is designed for individuals, costing $0 per month. It focuses on helping users write without spelling and grammar mistakes, allows them to see their writing tone, and includes 100 AI prompts for text generation. The next tier is Pro, priced at $12 per member per month when billed annually, or $30 for monthly billing. It is aimed at both individuals and teams and builds upon the free plan by adding features like full sentence rewriting, tone adjustment. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope this overview was helpful. If you've tried Grammarly yourself, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more reviews and tech deep dives. See you in the next one.